welcome to my channel, Court the Nurse Realtor, and I am Court. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are an oldie but a goldie, hey girl, hey boy, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I install or what I feel about Zelena's Sensational's What Lace collection in the style Zelena. This is in Flamboyage Blonde. So if you are interested, you like, girl, what's the real tea? If you want to see how I install it because I am a super beginner, or if you want to just be plain old nosy, go ahead and stay tuned to this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And most importantly, ring my bell. Ring my bell. My bell. Ring-a-ling-a-ling. Ring my bell so you can stay notified of these weekly videos. Okay, so let's get into this video. So this wig is from the Sensational Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig What Lace collection. And this is Zelena in Flamboyage Blonde. Honey, I've been getting real spontaneous with these colors. So yeah, I just want to try something different. I feel like it's cheap. So I might as well play with colors with the cheap hair than to play with colors with my expensive hair, because girl, I'd be mad if it's ugly. So yes, so I'm going to go ahead and open the packaging. Okay, so I picked this hair up because I saw a lot of like the synthetic wig gurus, you know, buying this hair and just giving their opinions. However, I probably should have watched more of them because a lot of people was like on the fence about this. But by that time I had already purchased it. So again, this is the Sensational Cloud9 Swiss Lace What Lace. And it says well crafted, a 13x6 customized closure or frontal, 100% hand tied pre-plucked to create a realistic natural density illusion hairline. It says undetectable translucent Swiss lace for a seamless hairline and natural parting right out of the box. So it is, like I said, 13x6 ear to ear with a 6-inch deep head tied frontal. It also gives hair care maintenance. I got this wig again in Flamboyage Blonde. This is the stock card or the hair card. I don't know what I call it, a wig card, stock card. On the back, it has the different colors that it comes in. Yeah, now here's the wig. Straight out of the packaging. Okay. Already you can see the baby hairs. Take it out. The lace is a lighter tint, but hey, I guess. So I'm going to try it on. Oh, well, let me do the wig. So again, it says 13x6 lace with the 6-inch deep parting. You have your 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and you have your elastic straps. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on my head. I have a pretty average size head, so normally I don't adjust the straps, but if I need to, I will. Okay, so this is wig straight on my head. This is the wig. Ooh. Okay then. Oh, shoot. I kind of like that. I love the color. Here's the lace. That's without me doing anything to it. I think it blends natural. So is it ear to ear? Let's see. Could be. Y'all know I don't do all of that extra stuff. I kind of just customize to give it the most natural look to me. But anywho, this is me. This is the wig straight out the packaging and onto my head. I'm going to turn around so you can see it from the back. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and customize this. And I'll show you how I do it, and then I'll apply it as the other videos that I've done. Well, the last wig video I've done, I'm going to apply it and you guys tell me what you think. I really am feeling this color. Right off the bat, I don't feel like it's tangly. Really and truly, I don't feel like it's tangly. I mean, it's shedding, but come on, it's synthetic hair. Like, I wasn't expecting, even the Remy bundles, human hair bundles, Brazilian, whatever it is, they shed too. So child, as long as it ain't tangling, I'm happy. And this right here is cute. I love this color. Girl, you got me feeling like real Beyonce-ish or what have you. And okay guys, so I have cut the lace. I really, when I put it on the mannequin and I was looking at it, I'm like, well, it looks like you could just go ahead and free part it. You really don't need to pluck it, like define the line while it's on the mannequin, because it's pretty much pre-plucked like they said. So I will agree with that. It's not like thick at the top. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I could customize it while it's on my head. I don't do that often. Child, if y'all see me pulling this cap down, it's because I'm trying to protect my edges, honey. Because baby, they on life support and sister is not trying to mess a good thing up. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to my head with the Got To Be. Y'all know I use the Got To Be glued. I don't use anything else. I used to back in the days use the gel, but I just stopped doing that because to me it felt messy. But if you want, if you can do it, use the gel. There are plenty of tutorials on YouTube, but me, I just kind of use the spray because baby, I'm snatching this off at night. And like I said, your girl edges is on life support and I'm trying to bring them back to life. So the Got To Be glue, and I'm going to show you how I tack it down. Then I'm going to see if I just really need to define this part. I may do the baby hairs, I may not. Just depends on how I feel, because I'm not really that good at it. So we'll see. Just stay tuned. absolutely love it. The color is everything. What I will say is that I do feel like this is a pre-plucked lace. It was very easy to customize, throw on. To me, it's very beginner friendly. I will also say the lace is light. So if you are my skin tone or darker, you're going to have to go in with your concealer, your pressed powder, wherever you use on your face to help make the lace melt. But for me, this hair is bomb, honey. It's not even tangly like synthetic wigs can be. This is beautiful. The color is beautiful. I'm totally happy with the purchase. Let me tell you how much I paid for this. Give me 1 second. Yes, I got this from Sam's Beauty. And I paid $59.99 for it, and baby, it was worth them hot $60. Cause this is beautiful. So if you are thinking about getting this, if you on the fence, if you're a beginner, I would say go ahead and purchase it, because this is super, super cute. Like, I'm going out the house with this on right now. So that is it for me. I did try to do a little customization there to show y'all I could do a little something, but feel free to play with these wigs. That's where they are on the cheaper side. So I hope this helped you. Most importantly, I love you, but God loves you so much more. God bless you.